From your kitchen to your medicine cabinet, this simple white powder is more powerful than you think. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, has been used for centuries, not just for cooking, but also for health, wellness, and even beauty. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the amazing health benefits of baking soda, how to use it safely, and even the science behind it. Stay tuned till the end because I'll also share some powerful ways you can use baking soda in your daily life that you may have never heard of. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, a naturally occurring compound found in mineral springs and in crystalline form. Chemically, it's alkaline, which means it can neutralize acid. That's why it's so effective in health applications. What's truly fascinating is that this everyday kitchen staple is backed by both ancient home remedies and modern science. One of the most popular uses of baking soda is for digestive health. When you mix half a teaspoon with water, it acts as a natural antacid, quickly neutralizing excess stomach acid. This can bring relief from heartburn, acid reflux, and indigestion. In fact, the American Heart Association recognizes baking soda as a safe emergency remedy for occasional heartburn. But remember, this should not become a daily habit without medical guidance, because overuse can affect your body's pH balance and sodium levels. Studies suggest that baking soda may help slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. By reducing acidity in the blood, it eases the workload on the kidneys. Some researchers believe this simple powder can actually improve kidney function when used carefully under medical supervision. It's also helpful for urinary tract health, alkalizing urine to make it less favorable for harmful bacteria. Athletes have used baking soda as a performance enhancer for decades. Known as soda loading, it helps reduce lactic acid buildup in the muscles, which delays fatigue and improves endurance. Some studies have shown that taking baking soda before high-intensity workouts can actually boost performance. But dosage matters, too much can cause stomach upset. That's why athletes usually take small amounts mixed with water before competition. Baking soda may also help lower uric acid levels in the blood. Since gout is caused by uric acid crystals forming in the joints, baking soda water has been used as a natural remedy to ease gout symptoms. It works by creating a more alkaline environment in the body, which makes it harder for uric acid crystals to form. Again, this is something to do in moderation, and ideally after consulting your doctor. Baking soda is a natural cleanser for the mouth. It helps remove surface stains on teeth, neutralizes acids, and reduces bad breath. Many toothpaste brands actually include baking soda for this very reason. However, it should be used gently, no more than a few times per week, because it can be abrasive to enamel if overused. From soothing insect bites to relieving sunburns, baking soda is a natural skin soother. Adding a cup to your bathwater can help calm irritated skin and leave it feeling refreshed. It also works as a gentle exfoliator when mixed with water. Some people even use it as a natural deodorant because of its odor-neutralizing properties. But be careful, not all skin types tolerate baking soda well, so always patch test first. Other surprising health benefits include helping ease sore throat symptoms when used as a gargle, freshening breath and balancing oral bacteria, reducing discomfort in mild urinary tract infections, even improving overall body alkalinity when used properly. The list goes on, but always remember, baking soda is powerful, and balance is key. Before you run to your kitchen, let's talk safety. Too much baking soda can cause serious side effects such as alkalosis, high sodium levels, and even heart complications. People with high blood pressure, heart disease, or kidney failure should be especially cautious. Baking soda should never replace prescribed medication without a doctor's advice. Moderation and guidance are key. So there you have it, baking soda, the humble kitchen powder, is truly one of nature's most powerful remedies. From digestion and kidney health to skin care and even athletic performance, its uses are wide-ranging and backed by science. But like any powerful tool, it must be used wisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. And let me know in the comments, how do you use baking soda for your health?